Welcome to Saturday at Barrett-Jackson. Big money day. Just an idea of the massive people. These are all bidders inside the area. Muscle lounge. I got you, go ahead. I just made her popular. Bidder boxes. There's some more. They're all happy to be. It's all fun at Barrett-Jackson on Saturday.
Built by Jeff Hayes Customs, ladies and gentlemen.
$775,000.
Custom built shot wheels, white line radial tires.
25, 50. I had to get down 50. 850. You got 50 on them. Here to get down 850. $850,000 down. I'm going to get $850,000 down. I'm going to get all through. $850,000. $850,000. 850. 75. 875. 900. And $900,000. And $900,000 down. I'm going to get down 999. And $900,000 down. I'm going to get down 99. And $900,000 down. I'm going to get down 999. Shane, one more time. 900.
The Camel interior features extensive interior lighting, custom handmade lighted door sills, and end-it chrome steering wheel, Ferrari-style battery tender.
900. I had to get 875. 9 and $900,000. I'm going to get everybody through. Everybody done. And 900,000.
800.
900 and $900,000. I'm going to get out. Emma, you're out. I had to get down $1,000. I'm going to get down what you want to pay.
This truck is my Lowe's Foundation. The real deal Batmobile.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Batmobile is iconic. It's historic. Of course, the true crime-fighting superheroes Batmobile right here, and also built by the icon himself, Mr. George Barris. Here's the number 3 Batmobile.
450, and 4 with floor, I'll take 30, and 430, and 400 down 25, and 425, $5 down, I'm gonna get down 425, and 425, and $425,000 down, I'm gonna get down, I'm gonna get all through, all done, go
This
ahead.
is a piece of history right here. We sold Batmobile #1 here on the stage with George Barris himself. It was a metal car. They took the molds off that car from the future Batmobile. Made #2 and #3. This is not a replica. This is one George built in the TV series and the movie. A piece of pulp culture right here.
450, I had to get up $450,000 and 450, and 450, and $450,000 and 450 on. I'm going to get down, take 425, and I got 400 on the phone. And 425, and 425, and 425, I had to get down 425, and $425,000. I'm going to get down, I'm going to get out through. And 450 on the end, 425 is with you, and 450, and 450, and $450,000, and 425 to get down.
It's worth it.
And 450,
Where else do you get this opportunity?
And now 450, and 450, and 450, and shocked again, and 450, and $450,000, and $450,000, and $450,000, I'm going to get down 450, and $450,000, I'm going to get down, everybody else all through, all done, and 450, and $450,000, now 60, and 460, and 460, and 460, and $460,000, I'm going to get down what you want to pay, all through, all done, and $460,000, and I have sold for $450,000, and I got to get down $80,000, and $80,000, I'm going to get $80,000, I'm going to get down, go ahead, Greg, $80,000.
This is the original one. We sold it here, as I said earlier, from Ron Pratt. It was the only one that they used in the TV series.
Right, I get now 80, and 70, 80, and $80,000, and 80, 90, and $90,000, and $90,000, and $90,000, and $100,000, $100,000, and $100,000, and I'm going to get down 100,000 down 10, 110, 110, 10, 10, 10, 10, I'm going to get down 110, 110,000, 110,000, I'm going to get down 110, 110,000, I got
this truck. Further luggage, in addition to the TV and movie use, the truck's been widely exhibited at Ron Custom Car Shows throughout North America. High-profile venues, including the Hollywood Stars Museum. Here's an incredible example on 14.1.
30, I 120, 30. No, right heading at 130. 130 pounds in 130 pounds in 130 pounds. You got Stormy in the back, is that right? 130 pounds in 130 pounds in 130. I'm gonna get 130. Let me know back there. I can't see you. 130 pounds in 130 pounds in 130 pounds in 130 pounds in 130. What do you got?